A mindset that celebrates movement. Today, I choose to honor my body with movement. I move because I am alive. I move because my body deserves to feel free, powerful, and capable. Every stretch, every breath, every step I take today is a celebration of what my body can do. I release the idea that movement is a punishment. I release the belief that I must earn rest, earn food, or earn worth. I am worthy simply because I exist. Movement is not a consequence. Movement is a gift. Movement is joy. Movement is freedom. My body is not something I need to fix. My body is something I get to support. I choose to treat it with kindness, respect, and appreciation. Today, I celebrate even the smallest movement. I celebrate the way my lungs fill with air. I celebrate the strength in my legs. I celebrate the rhythm of my heartbeat. I celebrate the amazing ability of my body to move me through this world. Every time I move, I feel more connected to myself. Every time I move, I feel more grounded, more aware, and more alive. Movement makes me stronger in mind, in body, and in spirit. I am not forcing my body. I am not punishing my body. I am nourishing it. I choose movement that feels good. I choose movement that honors my energy. I choose movement that brings me joy. I choose movement that reminds me how capable I truly am. Today, I let go of comparison. My journey is my own. My body is unique, and that uniqueness is beautiful. I celebrate progress, not perfection. I celebrate consistency, not intensity. I celebrate growth, not punishment. Movement is a celebration of my resilience. Movement is proof that I am growing, healing, and expanding. Movement is my way of thanking my body for carrying me through every challenge, every moment, every day. I choose to move with love. I choose to move with gratitude. I choose to move with intention. I speak kindly to my body. I speak gently to my body. I speak with compassion, not criticism. Every word I speak becomes energy my body feels. And today, I choose empowering energy. My body is my partner. My body is my home. My body is my vessel, and I honor it through movement that uplifts me. I am proud of myself for showing up today. I am proud of myself for choosing kindness over pressure. I am proud of myself for choosing a mindset that celebrates movement. There is no right speed. There is no right shape. There is no right way. There is only movement that feels true to me. I allow myself to rest. I allow myself to grow. I allow myself to evolve without judgment. I allow myself to move in ways that feel aligned with my soul. I celebrate my effort. I celebrate my intention. I celebrate my body for everything it has done for me, even when I wasn't paying attention. Today, movement is freedom. Today, movement is joy. Today, movement is a reminder that I am capable of more than I realize. I am powerful. I am strong. I am growing. I am limitless. My journey with movement is a journey of love, a journey of acceptance, a journey of honoring myself, and every day I choose to continue this journey with gratitude. I move because I love myself. I move because it feels good. I move because I am limitless. This is my motion. This is my power. This is my path. This is limitless motion.